Hi everyone and welcome to Autodesk PowerMill. So we have completed the module number 4, and the module number 4 is all about the advanced finishing toolpaths and machining strategies. And what we have covered in this module is all about the 3D offsets, constant Z finishing, corner finishing. We studied about the flow line finishing, parametric offset finishing, parametric spiral finishing, pattern finishing, profile finishing, project curve finishing, project line finishing, radial finishing, raster finishing, rotary finishing, and the last one, spiral finishing. So now it's time to check your knowledge. So I'm going to give you an assignment on the module number 4. And the assignment is just looks like that. So this is the image of the assignment which I am going to give you. So this is a part, and this part is going to be attached to your assignment file. So I'm going to give you the assignment, and you will have to perform the finishing toolpath strategies on this model, which is just looks like that. So here are the instructions for the assignment and module number 4. So what you have to do is you have to apply the finishing toolpath strategies for the given model, and you have to import the model which is named as die.dgk file into Autodesk PowerMill. So what you have to do, you have to follow the steps: create the block, create work plane on the block center position. You have to use the tool which is 12mm flat and mill for roughing operations. So what you have to do is you have to apply the first roughing operations, which we have done in the module number 3, and then you have to set the optimum depth of cut and style for both roughing and rest machining operations. For rest machining operations, you have to use 5mm flat and mill. So then what you have to do is you have to set approximately 5,000 RPMs and cutting feet, 2000 coolant on flat, and at the last you have to apply the appropriate finishing toolpath strategies on this model and simulate the machining operations. So best of luck, and that's it. Thank you very much.